Many people come to us, they've started a green card application and their spouse is unwilling to continue with it. So they've already filed that they're in USCIS system, and now you're worried, you're scared that you're already in the government system, you're out of status, and your spouse is not going to continue with this green card application. What can you do? Okay, so many times people in this situation are victims of abuse, right? And when I say abuse, I want to be clear, I'm not talking only about physical abuse. I'm talking about emotional abuse. I'm talking about behavior where your spouse is trying to control you. I'm talking about financial abuse where your spouse is asking you to pay for a number of different things and you are not getting that same in return. Where your spouse is checking your phone or telling you who you can hang out with. All of these types of behavior can be part of a pattern of abuse. Okay, so if your spouse, for example, filed your green card, now is no longer willing to do that, it's very possible, no longer willing, to move forward with that, it is very possible that you are a victim of abuse. And many times you're kind of in this situation, you don't even realize that what you're being subjected to is abusive behavior, right? If you're unsure, or if you know that you are, you have options to kind of move forward with the green card on your own without your spouse. Okay? You move forward with that green card, you get a work permit, usually in about 6 to 8 months. It's taking a little bit longer now, so let's say about 8 to 10 months, right? You can receive a work permit, and you can receive a green card in about 2 to 2.5 years. And this is marriage-based in a sense, but it's based on abuse, and you will not need your spouse to help you with this green card. Okay, so as long as you're married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, and as long as you have lived with them, the marriage was real, not just for immigration purposes, right? You can apply for a green card on your own if you're a victim of abuse. So this is something we like to let people know. It's an option, especially for those who are out of status or that entered illegally and have never had status. So this is an option for you to gain status, to gain a green card and ultimately U.S. citizenship. So if you find yourself in this situation, call us and we can do a consultation with you. My phone number for our firm is 703-348-1663. Again, that's 703-348-1663.